Hello, everybody. Thank you for being here. Hope you're all doing well. Today, we are going to talk about len function in Python. Len function is something that you can use to count the number of items in a data container, something like a list or a string. Let's take a small example and try to understand this concept further. Let's take a small example and try to understand the len concept. Let's create a list of items. Let's create a list of vehicles. Vehicles equals open square brackets bus, and then you'll have a car, and then we can use van, and then we can put in Jeep as the last item, I guess. So we have created a list of vehicles: bus, car, van, and Jeep. So we have 4 items in the list, and then I'm going to create a variable called a to use the len function to count the number of items in the list. So len vehicles, and then I'm going to use Python's print function to print the result to the screen. So once you run this code, it should print 4. So let's run it. As you can see, it has print 4 here. So what the len function has done is it has counted the number of items in the list and printed the screen. Okay, let's try to further understand this concept by using a different example. Let's take a string this time. So I'm going to create a variable called word. The string that we are going to use for this example is Python. The word Python has 6 letters. I'm going to create another variable called a len word. By using Python's print function, I'm going to print the result to the screen. So once you run the code, you can see the result is 6. So the len function has counted the number of letters in the word Python and printed to the screen. So in this video, my intention was to use a couple of very basic examples to show you how the len function works. I hope you found these examples useful. Until next time, take care.